Hi, welcome to JavaScript arrays. Arrays are a very powerful tool in JavaScript, and we can use them to do all kinds of really useful things with data and sets of data. An array in JavaScript is really not that complicated. It is just an ordered and indexed collection of data. So what that means is it's a set of data, a group, a list of different data that always stays in the same order because it's indexed. So the first element in an index is always 0, the next one is 1, 2, and so on. So when we say indexed, each piece of that list or each member of that list or each element of that array has a specific index, and it stays indexed at that number until we change it. An array can hold numbers, strings, objects, and even other arrays as its elements. And the really great thing about arrays is that you can use a single variable to access and manipulate multiple values. Basically, anything that's on that list can be accessed through that list's or that array's variable. So for example, if we have an array called fruits, and that array contains 3 strings, apple, banana, and cherry. Or if I have an array called numbers that contains different integers, 1, 42, 109, and 87, each of those arrays has an index. For example, fruits has the index of 0, 1, and 2 because there are 3 elements in that array. Apple is 0, banana is 1, and cherry is 2. That is pretty simple to remember. It gets a little confusing maybe when we're dealing with numbers because each of those numbers has a value, 142, 109, and so on, but they also have an index. So the number 1 is at index 0. 42 is at index 1. And those are ways that we can refer to each of those members.